Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll take a look at how we can connect to this Debian machine from a Windows 11 machine. This is the Windows 11 machine, and we'll be using XRDP or remote desktop. Now on the Debian machine, we need to install XRDP. Then we'll need the IP address and a username and a password. So I'm gonna open the terminal. And so before we begin the installation, let's take a look at the version of Debian that we are running. I'll say cat etc OS release. So we're running version 13, Trixie. Let's look at the first command. We want to update the package repositories before we run the command to install XRDP. You can do sudo apt update. Put in our password here. So it says 119 packages can be upgraded. Now to upgrade the packages, you can do sudo apt upgrade. Now this command could take a while, so I'm not going to run it. Now the command to install XRDP is sudo apt install XRDP. Y for yes. And it's done. Once we have XRDP installed, we can check the status of it. We can say systemctl status XRDP. And in our case, it's active running and it's enabled. Now, if it wasn't active running and if it wasn't enabled, let's look at the commands we can use to start the services and also enable the services. We can use sudo systemctl start XRDP. That should start the services. To enable the services, we'll say enable XRDP. So if you had a firewall configured, you'll need to open port 3389. That way XRDP can be accessible from another device. Lastly, we'll check the IP address on this machine. We can use IP address command. The IP is 172.16.1.101. This is the IP we'll need to input on the Windows 11 machine. If you're going to be logging in using the same username, you might want to log out. So I'm going to go ahead and log out here. So log out. Let's head over to the Windows 11 machine. Now on the Windows 11 machine, normally I'll just verify that I can reach the device using ping. I'll open the command prompt and then I'll use ping 172.16.1.102. So we sent 4 packets and received 4. We didn't lose any packets. So we verified that the Debian machine is reachable from this Windows 11 device. I'll close this and I'll open remote desktop. Okay, once you have the app open, just input the IP for your Debian machine here. Click on connect. Yes. Here put in the username and then the password. And there you are. You have the remote desktop connection. The IP is showing here. And we can verify using the terminal. So I'll do W here. And you see that's the session. And you can also check the logs. Grab RDP. And that should show you any logs related to that XRDP session. And that's all for this video. That's how you can connect to a Debian machine from a Windows 11 machine using remote desktop or XRDP. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.